Hello students, welcome to this session of your moral science class. So today we'll read moral science chapter 4, open your book. So last three chapters already we had discussed, and also I hope that you have written the question answer of this chapter on first three chapters. I already given you the question answers, so you must probably written. If you are not written, then complete your task soon. So we will discuss about the chapter 4. The chapter name is honesty. As you know, honesty, we have the proverb also. Honesty is the best policy. Okay, many times you must have heard about this proverb. The honesty person always wins the race. So those are following the path of honest. So they may face the difficulties in their life, but they will get successful definitely. So we should be honest in every time. So this is why we are this chapter, it is given here, and this chapter very interesting story also given. So first of all we'll see honesty is the best policy, that you already know this one. And a quality of being honest. Honest means what? It is a quality of a person. Okay, it is a quality of being honest. You have to develop yourself. Okay, when a small child taking the birth means he have to, when he gradually he growing up, he has to develop the honesty personality with him. Okay, he have to become an honest person. Okay, and when he will become young, then he will be a good person. He'll consider it a good person in the society. Okay, so an honest person is the noblest work of the God. God creating so many things. Every person's God, it is a creation of the God. But those are the honest person. They are the noblest work of the God. Okay, so regarding that we will read here. Suppose you find, while you are working or somewhere you are playing or you are going somewhere, so on the way, suppose you found 100 rupees so note on the road, what you will do? What you will do with that? Definitely, general thing is that when you are playing in the ground or you are going in the street anywhere or you are going to the market, you saw there is a 100 rupees, it is fallen in the ground in the nearby the road. Okay, so if what you will do that one, you will become happy and you will take it away, and after taking it you will purchase something valuable things. So regarding that is two options. Suppose keep it in your pocket and walk away, or try to find its owner. Which one you will do? So being a honest person, those are honest person, they will choose the second point. They will not keep it in the pocket. Okay, they will try to search the person whose 100 rupees that is, and they will try to return that 100 rupees. So such kind of persons are called your honest person. So here is a story of a boy who found an envelope containing 1000 rupees. Let us find out what he did with the money. Here one story it is given, interesting story, and that story it is about a boy who got 1000 rupees in a envelope. While he is going somewhere, he got a 1000 rupees in an envelope, and what he did that 1000 rupees, regarding that this story it is written. So first of all, Somit was going to play in a park. Somit, the main person in the story, it is Sumit. Sumit was going to play in a park. As he headed towards the park, while he was going towards the park, on the way, okay, he saw an envelope laying on the pavement. Pavement means the side by the road there for the walking purpose, which one it is made. Okay, that is pavement. Okay, so main road is there, and side of the road there is a one narrow road was there, that is for the walking pedestrians purpose. Those are the pedestrians, they will go there by that road path. So that is called a pavement. He saw in the pavement there was an envelope was fallen. Okay, he picked up the envelope and opened it. He picked up the envelope and opened it. He found there is a 10 100 rupees 100 rupees notes in it. 10 100 rupees are inside that envelope. And for the quick period of time, when he saw that 10 100 rupees was in an envelope, he found it. Somit felt very happy to find the money. After getting the money, he was become very happy. And he thought, first time being, he thought that I can buy a new video game. Okay, it is a 1000 rupees. I got it. He was become happy. Thereafter, he decided to purchase a video game. And with this money, how long I have been waiting for this game. So since for a long time he was waiting for the game, video game to play, but he could not able to do. So by this 1000 rupees, he will able to purchase a video game. Okay, so today, and he thought that like this manner, he was thinking that today God is in favor with me. My lady luck has smiled upon me. That means God given me blessing by which today I got 1000 rupees. My lady luck means what? God is in favor with me, okay, upon me, and I will use this opportunity to fulfill my wish. So 1000 rupees is there, so I will purchase a video game for me. Okay, I will play the video game. As he was thinking this type of thinkingness, it is coming to the mind for the time being, but from inner heart, like somebody was telling to him. Okay, as he was thinking this one in mind, okay, from the heart another one voice came from his heart. That the voice came from inside him, inside his heart. What? It said, maybe the person who has lost the money needed it urgently. That means this 1000 rupee, okay, I can purchase the video game. For the time being, I will be happy that all things okay. But here his inner voice said to him that maybe this 1000 rupees, maybe anybody's urgent amount. Maybe a person need that amount urgently. Okay, for any serious purpose. So his heart is suggesting him. His heart was suggesting him, you should try to locate the owner. His heart was suggesting him that you try to locate the owner of this 1000 rupees. It is not your. Okay, it is your somebody else. Okay, you try to find out who is the owner of this 1000 rupees. Somit was in two minds. So in this way, his heart is telling something, his mind is telling something. So two type of opinion it was came to his mind. Which one he will follow? One part of him wanted to keep the money. His mind is telling that you have to keep the money and purchase a video game. But his inner heart is telling, no, we should return the money to the owner. So whom opinion he will obey? While Somit was struggling with his conflicting thoughts, while Somit was in confusion mentality, because his heart is telling something, his mind is telling something, so he not able to decide which one he will do. Okay, so at that time he remembered, in his mind another instruction came, that he remembered the words of his teacher, what the teacher told. So who had said, before some day ago, his teacher was told him that we should be honest whether somebody noticed you or not. So his teacher was told him in the class that we should be honest whether somebody is looking to you or may not, but you should show your honesty everywhere. In maybe in absence of somebody or in the presence of somebody, but honesty you should always follow. So the teacher was telling in the class, he remembered. Thereafter, when you do a good thing, you feel really good inside. And also his teacher was told in the class that when you are doing a good thing for anybody, then from your inner heart, you will feel good and God will bless you. Okay, you will feel really good inside. You should take pride to doing this what's right. So what is the right thing, you should take its pride to do that one. Okay, Swamit finally decided. Thereafter, Swamit decided to obey the teacher's word. Okay, so Swamit finally decided to took for the owner of the envelope. Okay, then he decided, no, you have to return this envelope to the owner. But where could you locate to him or her? He don't know whose money this one. Okay, how he can return? How to where he will search? He don't know the money, whose this money is, who was the owner of this money, how he will search, to where it will search. So he was thinking like this manner by standing that same place. Okay, some time passed, he was thinking, he was looking somebody else. Okay, those are passing through the road, he was looking to them. Okay, but nobody was there to ask, or nobody is coming to him to ask. So in that same time, suddenly he saw a old man searching for the something. He saw that nearby that place, somewhere distance place, he saw a old man was searching something. Here and there he was searching. Okay, and the old man was making inquiry. Also that old man was asking to someone that something from some person also. One by one person he was asking something. So Swamit ran to the old man. Then Swamit, when saw that old man was searching something and asking, those are passing through that road, he was asking. So at that time Swamit ran away to that old man. Okay, ran to the old man and asked him politely, have you lost something? Have you lost do you lost something? Then the old man said, son, today I had received my pension. Okay, today I received my pension. I know old days, pension from the government level, those are the government employee, they are getting the pension. So after retirement, the pension they are getting. So that amount, he was telling that I got my pension amount. Okay, I need the money urgently because my wife is very ill. So he was told that money is very urgently, I need that one, because that money is lost somewhere, but I need that money very urgently because my wife was ill. Okay, he is very ill, he is not feeling good. Okay, he is in a bed, she is in the bed. Okay, and I was to get her treated. So if this money I'll get it, I was to get her treated. I have to take her to the hospital for treatment. Okay, my envelope containing 1000 rupees has fallen somewhere. I do not know what to do. So my envelope where the 1000 rupees were there, it is fallen somewhere. I not able to understand what to do now. Okay, so like this manner he was very sadly, he replied. Who? That old man. Then Swamit said, uncle, I found this envelope. Okay, I found this envelope, here it is. So that time, so happy feeling from his inner, who Somit, because when he told that, and when he found the owner of that 1000 rupees, so and when he returned it, then he felt very self satisfaction, immense self satisfaction, immense happy in his heart, in his heart. Okay. Okay, next class we will discuss about this.